After a long day of work and all the responsibilities that come with taking care of a family, the absolute last thing I want to do is spend my evenings over a hot stove and weekends at the grocery store. I needed something healthier and cheaper than just ordering takeout again. So I started testing out some meal kits. I've tried quite a few over the years, but the one that's stuck and the one that's become my personal favorite is HelloFresh. So in this video, I'm going to share my honest experience after being a subscriber for the last few months. I'll walk you through the type of meals we got, exactly how much work the prep actually takes, and the specific things that I liked most about it. And by the end, you'll be able to decide if HelloFresh is the right solution to make your dinner time just so much easier. Now, let's get into it. A quick heads up, I have put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you use them, I do earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. Alright, so if you're not too familiar with HelloFresh, it's a meal kit delivery service that sends pre-measured ingredients with easy-to-follow recipes right to your doorstep. You get to choose how many meals you want each week and pick your favorites from a rotating menu. Then, once you make your selections, everything shows up in a chilled box, ready to cook. Now, I'll admit, I've been holding off on trying HelloFresh for way too long. I was using another brand at the time, but I was genuinely curious to see if the food could actually be, good. Like, I get that it's supposed to be fresh and all, but part of me expected it to be bland or basic. Anyway, I thought worst case scenario, I hate it and I'll never do it again. Right, so I went ahead and placed an order for my first HelloFresh box. Now, the first thing I had to do to get started was select a plan and choose how many meals I want delivered each week. They got 2, 3, 4, however many you want, depending on how often you feel like cooking. Then, once that was set, I picked out my meals from their weekly rotating menu. And there's usually a pretty good variety, from quick comfort food to veggie options or slightly more adventurous stuff. And one of the things I like about HelloFresh is that the boxes show up like clockwork on the delivery day you choose. Everything comes in an insulated package with ice packs, so even if it sits outside for a few hours, it's still fine. You don't have to babysit the delivery or panic if you're not home the second it arrives. They also put a really great deal of effort into the packaging side of things. Most of it is either recyclable or compostable, and they clearly label what goes where. The ice packs they include can also be reused or emptied and recycled. Plus, HelloFresh takes care to offset their carbon emissions, which is great if you're big on sustainability. Then, as far as the meals themselves, most of them take about 30 minutes, give or take, to make. A few of them are even quicker. They have some ready-made options which you can just throw in a microwave. I did try those out of curiosity, and surprisingly, not bad. Plus, while it's pretty rare that these kind of services let you make changes on short notice, HelloFresh lets you make updates anytime through their website or app. So swapping meals, skipping a week, even canceling entirely is super easy. It's not one of those sites that'll make you call a customer service line just to take a break or let them know you're out of town. So in my experience, I found everything to be really simple and straightforward. And so far, introducing HelloFresh into my routine a couple of times a week has actually taken a lot of the stress out of trying to figure out what to make for dinner. So let's shift gears a bit and get into their pricing, because when I looked into HelloFresh, I expected it to be one of those things that looks affordable until you hit the checkout page, but surprisingly, it's really not bad, especially if you're comparing it to how much you'd usually spend on takeout or random grocery runs. So for an average setup of 2 people doing about 4 meals a week, it comes out to about $10 a meal, but they usually have deals on top of that. It can come all the way down to around $5 a serving, which I think is totally manageable. Now, what's nice with HelloFresh is that the pricing doesn't change based on what type of meal plan you pick. Whether you go veggie, low calorie, pescatarian, or their under 20-minute options, it all follows the same structure. So if you want to check out what we're covering today, we have affiliate links in the description. Using those earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel. Now, I've been using HelloFresh as my main meal delivery service for the past few months, like I said, and having tried out a lot of similar services, I can honestly say it's one of the best ones out there. First off, the ingredient quality. It really surprised me. I didn't really have high expectations here, but everything has showed up super fresh and nicely packed. The boxes always come chilled with ice packs and those insulated liners, so even if I don't grab it right away, nothing gets spoiled. Now, not everything is organic, which might be a deal breaker for some folks, but for me, just having exactly what I need and no sad decaying veggies going bad in my fridge feels like a win. And as for flavor, I'll just say some of these recipes make me feel like I can actually cook. Like, It's incredible. So the step-by-step cars, they're super clear. It's pretty hard to mess anything up. But I've even managed to impress myself with the dishes I've been able to put together. I've made firecracker meatballs, polenta and zucchini carrot ragu, and a coconut chicken curry that had me thinking, wait, this came from my kitchen? How is that possible? Most of these dishes have a lot of flavor. Even the quick ones, they taste way better than they got any right to do. But obviously they can't all be winners. A couple of the sauces were a little underwhelming, but I've still found the meals I've made with HelloFresh are way better than the ones I whipped up with most of the services that are out there. And there's a good amount of flexibility. I tried a few of their fit and wholesome meals, and they were actually satisfying without feeling like, diet food. The veggie options were better than I expected, and weren't just some underwhelming lettuce bowls. I got some decent protein with roasted chickpeas and halloumi, which helped add some variety. If you're into seafood, though, just know the pescatarian choices can feel a little repetitive. I saw a lot of salmon, like a lot. So I would recommend taking a look at some of the other plans they offer if you ever feel like mixing things up. Now, another thing I appreciate about HelloFresh is their great customer service. I had one box where a garlic clove was missing, so no big deal. I reached out to them, and I got a credit on it almost immediately. Plus, skipping a week, super easy. You don't get stuck in some never-ending cancellation loop with a whole labyrinth of emails. The only time it got a little annoying was when I tried to call them. It was a little bit of a wait, not bad, but honestly, I ended up handling everything through their app anyway, so all things considered, would I recommend HelloFresh? Yeah, absolutely. Especially if you're someone who likes the idea of home-cooked meals, but doesn't want to deal with all the planning and shopping. It's easy, the food is good, and the variety keeps it from getting boring. Sure, it's not perfect. Some meals are better than others, and it's not the cheapest option out there, but for the time and stress it saves, for me, I think that's totally worth it. But if you still want to explore other meal kit options before making your pick, let's take a quick look at how HelloFresh stacks up against one of its main competitors, Green Chef. I've tried both, so I've gotten a pretty decent sense of how they compare, and while they're both top quality meal services, there are a few key differences that might help you decide between one or the other. Like, for instance, when it comes to variety, the HelloFresh definitely wins, hands down. Their menu is massive. It's got like over 100 recipes a week. Plus, they also feature a bunch of extras like snacks, desserts, and sides if you want to order any add-ons. Green Chef, on the other hand, had a bit smaller selection, but their lineup is very health conscious, with turkey, chicken, and salmon being some of the proteins in their recipes. Their add-ons are more green, so yeah, no chocolate lava cake here, but the meals are flavorful, definitely for sure. The selection can feel kind of exotic if you're looking for a quick dinner or just have picky eaters to please. And when it comes to ease of use, both HelloFresh and Green Chef aim to make the cooking process as easy to follow as possible. The recipes are easy to follow with accurate cooking times, so you don't end up burning something while scrolling on your phone. So the best option really boils down to, what do you prioritize while you're cooking? If you value convenience, variety, and comforting meals that pretty much cook themselves, HelloFresh is my top pick. It's perfect for anyone with busy weeks, picky eaters, or just trying to dodge takeout. On the flip side, if you're maybe planning a date night, or you just enjoy a chef-inspired recipe step by step, then Green Chef offers a little bit more complexity along with a unique flair. But both services bring quality ingredients with convenient deliveries right to your home. As far as my lifestyle and the kind of dishes I wanted to make, I think HelloFresh has been the right choice for me. So honestly, my experience with HelloFresh has been pretty impressive. Going in, I thought it was too good to be true, with depressing meals that would look like TV dinners or ingredients that would come out half rotten, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Every week, I got this nice variety of fresh ingredients and an easy way to plan mealtime. And while, yes, it's not perfect, to avoid the extra trips to the grocery store and lengthy cook times, it is absolutely worth trying, because life is busy enough, Let dinner time be one less stressor on your plate, and keep meal planning easier with HelloFresh. And that's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more like this. There are new videos coming out all the time. And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video. If you use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which really does help support the channel. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Now, as always, I love hearing from you guys, so please drop your questions or comments down below, and I will try to get back to them as fast as I can. Thank you so much for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.